Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Davon Marquise West, aka Mark West, CLEP Guinea Pig, and yes, I am your CLEP Guinea Pig. And today I'm showcasing the National Income and Price Determination portion of the Macroeconomics Study Guide from CLEP Guinea Pig, the official Macroeconomics Study Guide. Before I get into this, please do me a favor, mash that like button. Definitely subscribe to the channel. By the way, this is the channel for all things and everything CLEP. All right, if you want to know how to study for your exam, if you want to know where your starting point should be, if you want to end the frustration and the confusion of not knowing what to study or how to study, this is the channel for you. So please subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping gems all year long about CLEP, and I've been doing this since 2016, and I know I should have way more videos. But that's all going to change here pretty soon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of click through this study guide, which is about 4 pages. This is just the National Income and Price Determination portion of the exam, or the study guide. And while I'm doing that, please feel free to pause the video, take notes, do whatever you want to do to get this information. Now this full study guide is available at clepguineapig.com, or if you join the community, which all the links will be in the description, you can find it there too if you're interested in purchasing this. It is not expensive at all, so that support really would help the business and the brand. But at the end of the day, I need people to get this information because it is valuable. It is going to help you, as it's helped hundreds of people pass their macroeconomics exam. So I wanted to help you too. So if you found this video useful, if you find any of my videos useful, please drop a comment. Let me know what other type of content you would like to see. If you need to reach out to me, you can do so on Instagram at CLEP Guinea Pig. You can shoot me a text, 619-432-5947. You can email me, Mark, M-A-R-Q, at clepguineapig.com. And once again, please mash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join the community. I'm building a community for people who are interested in CLEPs, want to get the info, want to ask questions, who need general help, general knowledge. So please join the community, drop some gems in the community, and let's build that up. Let's put this in front of as many people as we possibly can. Thank you so much for your time. Till we meet again.